Without SOPs, tasks are often done differently, leading to mistakes and safety risks. By following clear procedures, maintenance, EBMR, and LIMS teams work more consistently, keep better records, and create a safer environment for everyone. In practice, there are two types of SOPs: executable and non-executable, or readable SOPs. Executable SOPs guide users step by step with real-time data capture for accurate, traceable records. Non-executable SOPs provide instructions only, without tracking actions or data. This is the SOP landing page, where SOPs are categorized by type and category, and further classified as executable or non-executable. This is the SOP list view. Each SOP is displayed with key details. Layout ensures clarity, transparency, and ease of access across the SOP lifecycle. This is the SOP viewer. At the top, you'll find quick access buttons to view approvals, export to PDF, edit the SOP, or see a summary. On the right, the Execute button allows users to begin step-by-step execution of the SOP. Below, the configured SOP presents essential information, responsibilities, and guided steps, each clearly marked with prefixes and intuitive icons. The SOP wraps up with a structured footer, ensuring a complete and compliant process overview. This is the SOP Execution Viewer, a dedicated space for real-time SOP execution. The top bar provides quick tools to monitor execution progress. View the execution list. To edit SOP and access the SOP summary. Click Start to begin execution. Users are guided through clearly readable steps and can navigate between them seamlessly. During execution, users have the ability to stop, reload, skip, or complete each step. For every step, manual inputs can be entered, or data can be fetched directly from integrated sources. Once all steps are completed, the SOP can be marked as completed, ensuring a smooth and traceable execution process. Mobile-friendly SOPs provide instant access in the field, improving responsiveness and supporting efficient task execution. SOPs can be integrated with electronic batch manufacturing records, maintenance activities, laboratory information management systems, and other relevant apps where applicable. A common use case is linking readable SOP sections directly to specific parts of an operation. For example, a changeover pump SOP can be attached to the operating section, so at any moment the operator can click the SOP and instantly view the required steps to follow. This ensures that clear, accessible instructions are always available where and when they're needed, supporting compliance and efficiency. SOPs can be linked to different areas like preventive maintenance or the laboratory. This makes it easy to access the right procedures, improving efficiency and consistency. Empower your frontline real-time SOPs that guide every move, every time.